Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing both devices. Have the Discord mobile app open and your Ps5 ready. On the Ps5, go to Users and Accounts, choose Link with other services, then pick Discord. This creates the connection required. Once done, the console shows a code, Open Discord on your phone, enter that code under Connections, and authorize PlayStation Network access. You do this because Discord needs the PSN link to route party audio through the console. This is the first actionable step toward voice chat. Once accounts are linked, you perform the mid-step transfer. You can start a Ps5 party or accept a party invite, then open Discord on your phone and join the same voice channel. Make sure to tap the option to transfer to Ps5. This triggers a confirmation prompt on your console. You accept it so Discord routes the voice channel audio and mic input through the PlayStation OS. This matters because Discord voice doesn't natively run on Ps5 without this transfer step. To finish, set your Ps5 audio input and output to the headset you want, then tweak chat and game volume so levels are balanced. You can do this in sound settings. If voice doesn't work, first reauthorize the Discord PSN connection in Account Connections, then relink if needed. When transfers hang, restart the Discord mobile app and reboot the Ps5. This clears stale sessions. Remember that permission or network issues are the usual culprits, so checking those quickly fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.